following segment is sponsored by Patriot Gold Group. Did you know that gold has significantly outperformed the Dow Jones Industrial Average over the past 12 years? Our DC correspondent Roxanne Strout joins us today with information on investing in gold.
Well, the highs and lows of the stock market may have you wondering if you are making the best investment choices for your financial future. Jack Hanney, CEO of Patriot Gold Group, joins us now with some great insight. Great to have you back, Jack.
Thank you for having me. Good morning.
My pleasure. So let's talk stocks. What are economists warning about right now?
Economists are warning of a 1929 style crash. If you look at the volatility, if you look at the wild swings in the stock market, just the week before last, the Dow pulled back over 1,000 points. The NASDAQ was down as many as 600 points. One of the biggest concerns on that day was that discount online brokerages such as Vanguard, Schwab, Fidelity, and others had technical issues, technical difficulties. So investors couldn't access their online accounts on a day that the stock market was absolutely plummeting.
Wow. So, we understand that one senior commodity strategist has issued a warning. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, that's Bloomberg's Mike McGlone. Now, he's warning of a crash far worse than 2008. He's also forecasting gold to go to $3,000 an ounce.
So the Federal Reserve is expected to start cutting rates in September. Can you explain a bit for us what happened in 2000 and 2007 after the first rate cut?
Well, and that's what's disconcerting if you look at the timelines and the similarities. History doesn't often repeat itself, but it does rhyme. Mark Twain. It was in December of 2000, after the first rate cut, the stock market crashed 41%. Gold went up 56% and silver went up 65%. And then it was in September of 2007, as we're heading into September, and it's widely anticipated the first rate cut will be September 18. But in September 2007, after the first rate cut, the stock market crashed 55%. Gold went up 235% and silver went up 315%.
Wow, unbelievable numbers right there. So what are forecasts for gold and silver right after the upcoming expected rate cut?
Well, the first rate cut is widely anticipated to be September 18th. And then there's expected to be a series of maybe 5 or 6 additional rate cuts going into 2025. JP Morgan has just forecasted silver to surpass $36 an ounce. There's also reports of a new Samsung battery that requires a lot of silver, and silver is expected to soar. Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Bloomberg are all forecasting $3,000 an ounce gold in 2025.
Very important information there. Where can people go if they want to learn more?
They can go to www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-800-974-4653.